Not only that, 2, 3, 6, 4, 0, 1, 5, and so on. MATLAB displays the roots. What is the order of this equation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sixth order polynomial equation. Sixth order polynomial equation. Sixth order polynomial equation. Not only that, we give any polynomial equation. We add some more values here. Sixth order, seventh order, eighth order, ninth order, 10th order, 11th order, 12th order. These are the roots of this polynomial equation. Okay. So here one more thing is there. Suppose I have a roots, for example. I have a roots. I will cover all these topics. Then I will move to matrices. Suppose I have a roots. Can we find out the polynomial equation? I have a roots. For example, I have a roots 1, 2, 3. I want to know the polynomial equation whose roots are 1, 2, 3. Whose roots are 1, 2, 3. So we have to give a command poly of roots 1, 2, 3. The corresponding polynomial equation is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay. Suppose if you want to find out the roots, I'm talking about roots. I forgot to tell you this one. X cube minus x plus 1, for example. Yes. How to give this as a x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 0. We have to give like this 1, 0, x coefficient is minus 1, constant is 1. We have to give polynomial, we have to give like this, roots of. Okay. Then it will give roots of this polynomial equation. Okay. If you give poly of some value, it calculate the polynomial equation and display the coefficients of the polynomial. I hope you understand the difference. Okay, poly of it. This is the polynomial. The corresponding polynomial equation is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. That is a polynomial equation corresponding to the roots 1, 2, 3. If you know the roots, we can find out the polynomial equation. If you know the polynomial equation, we can find the roots. The command is different. If you want to find out the polynomial, you have to take poly. If you want to find out the roots, you have to do roots. That's it. So, and also, if you want to find out the polynomial value at a particular point, if you want to find out the polynomial value at a big polynomial, I want to find out the polynomial value at a particular point. Suppose the answer is one polynomial. Am I correct? Answer is a polynomial. Polyval of answer, it is a polynomial. Am I correct? Answer is a polynomial. Am I correct? Polynomial. I want to find out at 10. The polynomial value at x is equal to 10 is 5 not. The polynomial value at x is equal to 10 is 5 not. Did you understand? Okay. If you want to find out the polynomial value,
sir, I have small doubt, sir.
At a given value, we have to mention the polynomial here, comma, value. Okay. Next, if you want to find out the product of two polynomials, addition and all this is very simple, you know. Addition is very simple. If you want to add if you want to find out the product of two polynomials, suppose P is one polynomial to me, with me, 1, 5, 6, 8, 7. This is the third order polynomial. 2 is another polynomial, 1, 0, 9, 7, minus 8, minus 11. Two polynomials with me. This is fifth order polynomial, this is fourth order polynomial equation. Suppose if you want to find out the product of P comma Q, you have to give convolution of P comma Q, CONV, conv P comma Q, we will get a polynomial equation. How many elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8th degree polynomial equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. ninth degree, 9 means 8-degree polynomial. The third degree, fifth degree. This one is third degree, this fifth degree will get 8th-degree polynomial. These values are needed for me, for us in matrices. Okay. Okay, with this brief, not a brief, I explained all the things in on arrays. So different concepts we learned. Okay, how to insert an element, how to insert an array, how to remove, how to add. Okay, how to find out the maximum element, second maximum element. So many things we learn. How to apply relational operators on array. Okay. Like this. Now I'm going to matrices. How to create a matrix in MATLAB. How to create a matrix in MATLAB. MATLAB stands for. MATLAB is not a mathematics laboratory. It is a matrix laboratory. The basic data element in MATLAB is a matrix. So why? Because if you give left hand side, you see this one. Some m is equal to 1. I am giving a sign. M is equal to 1. M is equal to, what is the size of M? Size of M. It is 1 by 1 matrix. It will treat as a 1 by 1 matrix. One row, one column element is there. So the basic data element in MATLAB is matrix. So that we'll know after 1 or 2 days the importance of matrix operations in MATLAB. Okay. Okay. First, how to create a matrix? First element, second element, third element. I am going to create one 3 by 3 matrix. Semicolon. First row, semicolon. Second row, semicolon. Third row. Third row. We need to give semicolon. If you enter like this, we'll get a matrix. What is size of A? 3 by 3 matrix. 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. So now we have a matrix C. Am I correct? Matrix C. Suppose I want to find out the transpose of A. If you give A dash, it will calculate transpose of A. Transpose of A. There are some standard special matrices are also available in MATLAB. So suppose I am going to give, I will explain first that one, then I will go to MATLAB operations one by one. So what is this one? Suppose if you give zeros of 3, what will it generates 3 by 3 matrix. It generates a null matrix of order 3 by 3. Suppose if you give 3, 4. 3, 4. It generates a null matrix of order 3 by 4. What happens zeros of 1, 5? It generates an array. Null array of order 1 row, 5 columns. Okay. I hope you understand. No? 1 row. Suppose if you give reverse order 5, 1. You will, sorry, one extra. Okay. 5 rows and 1. So next, suppose if you give ones of 4, we will get one matrix of 4 by 4 matrix whose entities are 1. Okay. Similarly, 3, 4. This is applicable for array also. Next, EY, unit matrix. EY, you will get a unit matrix of order 4 by 4. 4th order, 4, 5. So it creates a 4, 5. What is the minimum value? 4. It takes one 3 by 3 unit matrix. Rest of the elements, MATLAB filled with zeros. So another special matrix is that is a command I am using most of the time. Rand command. Rand 3. What will MATLAB generates one random matrix. Each element is from 0 to 1. It takes random elements from 0 to 1. Randomly, MATLAB picks 9 elements from 0 to 1. Okay. Suppose if you give the same command, I am giving the same command, rand 3. What will happen? Another matrix will come. Why? Because it is a random command, rand command. Okay. Suppose if you fix like this, A is equal to rand of 3. Now A will be fixed. It will not be changed again. Okay. A is same. Why? Because rand 3 I assigned to A. It will not be changed. So if you take rand of 3, 4, I'm removing this A. 3, 4. 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay. So you see this one. I have taken like this commands previously. I have taken this one. You see this one, 100 star, round, bracket. What will happen? This anybody guess this answer? So rand of 1, 4, 1 row, 4 columns. I multiplied with 100. That means each element I am multiplying with 100. The numbers will be from 0 to 100. I am taking round command. Round we know. Round of x. Round command. Round x nearest integer. So we will get round again round again. Okay. Yes, once again I am explaining this command. So rand 1, 4 will get with this command. You will get 1 row, 4 columns. Each element is from 0 to 1. I am multiplying with 100. What will happen? We will get a numbers from 0 to 100. Because I am multiplying with 100. The numbers will come, we enter in for a range of the numbers will be 0 to 100. Then from that I am taking round. So the numbers, whatever rational part will be removed. So I am taking as P. These are the numbers. Now P is the fixed number. Am I correct? Did you understand this point? Did you understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, yes. Numbers how to go in the representation. My roots are complex number. Then Praveen Charan. How are they going to represent? Okay. Same as 0 plus 1 plus value into I. Complex number. If you want to represent a complex number, my roots are complex numbers means so a plus 2i, for example, a plus 2a, for example, a plus 2, a plus ib, no, a plus if the complex number is like this, 2 plus 3. One second, sir. Important part. Okay, okay. Where are you now? So actually, I'm not
complex.
up to. I'm in shopping, sir. Actually, shop. No. I'm in class. I'm taking class. Okay, sir. Okay. 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 I'll come to your home. What is there? Hmm? Okay. Yes. So many questions are there. One by one, I want to answer. My roots are complex numbers. How are going to represent? Okay, first I will complete that question. Then I will come back. 2 plus 3. Just to give 2 plus 3 into I. That's it. Okay. So if you want, I will explain later. There is not a big issue. Okay. Next question. Sir, how to find it? Yes, madam. Just now, just now I started, MATLAB. Matrices. I will explain all the things. Let of A. Let of A. Okay. Random values will be different for different users. Yes. Random values will be different for different users. Where are you, Mamata Kumari? Where are you from, madam? Mamata Kumari? Where are you from? Mamata Kumari. Are you at a work? Okay. Research scholar or faculty? Research scholar or faculty? So random numbers are different from different users. Okay. Okay. So now Q is equal to, for example, I am taking this. Q is equal to round 10 star. I am giving 10 star. Rand 4. What will happen? We get 4 by 4 random matrix whose elements are from 1 to 10. Because I multiplied with 10. This Q is fixed. If you enter the same command in your laptop, the matrix, you will get a different matrix. Definitely. Not. Okay. These are the special matrices. Now, students are eagerly, participants are eagerly waiting for how to find out the determinant and all this. Now, we can find that. We will do this in all the things. One by one, I will explain. Because I am taking one 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. I have taken one 3 by 3 matrix. I have a Q. A is equal to, instead of Q, I am taking A. CLC. A is there. So, suppose if you want to find out the determinant of the matrix. Determinant of the matrix. Get off. Determinant is that A is not equal to 0. We can find out the inverse of the matrix. Inv of A. Inv of A. Or A cap minus. Okay. Both will be the same. So, before that one, I have to tell so many things. Before going to determinant and inverse, I have to tell so many things and basics of math. And basics of math. Okay, first question. I have A matrix. Next matrix, I am creating another matrix B. I have two matrices B. A one matrix, B is another matrix. If you give A plus B, what will happen? It will add it as usual. A minus B is pointwise subtraction. Pointwise subtraction. Okay. A plus B, A minus B. Okay. So I want to find out the multiplication. A is with me, B is with me. A into B I need. A star B. This Astaras is designed for matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Astaras is designed for matrix multiplication. What is matrix multiplication? Row with column. Am I correct? Row with column. First row matrix like this. Any PG student, MSc student, or BSc student in this batch? Just pass out MSc student. Any student, MSc Math student. Three rows and 3 columns. Okay. Just passed out MSc student. So we do first row with first column. That will keep here. First row, second column will keep here. First row, third column will keep here. Like this, we'll get one 3x3 matrix. Okay, research scholar. Just completed MSc. Just completed MSc, or you are at a faculty. I want to ask one question. Those who completed recently MSc, no. Just completed MSc, research scholar. I'm fine. Okay, leave it. Any MSc, BSc student, MSc student in this batch? No student. Okay. So Praveen Charan, what is your qualification?
MSc, sir. MSc Mathematics.
What is your qualification? MSc Maths. So your qualification? Yes, very good. I would like to ask one question. Lakshmi Priya also. I would like to ask one question. So why are you multiplying row with column in matrix? Why are you multiplying row with column? If A is one matrix, B is another matrix. So A plus B, you are doing pointwise addition. A minus B, you are doing A minus B, you are doing pointwise subtraction. Whereas if you come to multiplication A into B, you are doing different manner. Very particular method we are applying. Row with column. First row with first column. What is this nonsense? Why can't you multiply column with row? If this matrix multiplication is valid, why can't you multiply column with row? That's my question. So I will be with you at 1 month. Okay, 1 month, 24 days. Kindly let me know. You can refer any book, you can refer any website. You tell me this is the reason to multiply row with column. That I need. Okay. You are a fresh MSc student. Okay. So Praveen, Lakshmi Priya also research scholar. Some research guy. And More. Just kindly mute your mic. Kindly mute your mic.
Sir, please repeat.
Kindly mute.
Sir, please repeat.
Sir, Pratap Singh, Vinay Pratap Singh, kindly mute your mic. Vinay Pratap.
Sir, please repeat.
This question. So, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, A is one matrix, B is another matrix. So, let us assume that both are same order. A is 3/3, B is 3/3. You are multiplying. If you want to find A plus B, we are doing pointwise addition. Am I correct? Pointwise addition. Am I correct? If you want to subtract two matrices, we are subtracting pointwise. So if you come to matrix multiplication, we are doing in different manner. Row with column. Am I correct? Row with column. And also we are imposing one condition. If P is of order P by M by N by P. N by P. B is a Q by M. P by, so it should be some Q by P by M. Then only matrix multiplication will do. Those are sufficient conditions, necessary conditions. Leave it that way. I have taken 3/3 matrix 3/3. So we are doing row with column. First row with first column we are keeping here. First row with second column we are keeping here. First row with third column we are keeping here. Second row first column element we are keeping here. Like this. So why are you doing? My question is, what is the necessity to do this type of difficult multiplication? We can directly multiply, 1 into the same element as usual, plus and minus. Like plus and minus. Or if you multiply row with column, why can't you multiply column with row? If you multiply row with we are doing row with column. Why can't we do with column with row? Column with row means first column with first row. That is also I can do. Am I correct? So these are my questions. So let me know and refer any book, standard
Sir,
book.
polynomial multiplication.
Polynomial multiplication. I don't know any polynomial multiplication. So one ninth class student came to my home. He asked the question.
Okay.
Why are you multiplying row with column? How can you answer this question to the 8th class student or 9th class student or 10th class student or +2 student or degree first year, degree second year, degree third year student? That's my question. One student came to my home with a qualification of +2 or +1. +2 or degree first year. How to answer to the student? That's the question. How to convince the student? This is the way. This is the reason to multiply this. I have to tell I have to tell to the student. I have to satisfy the student. Okay. You think about that part. Like this question, I will ask so many questions. Okay. Just now 5 days or okay. Now this is the matrix multiplication. A is one matrix multiplication. A is one matrix. B is one matrix. A star B gives row with column. First row with first column, first row with second column. Suppose if you give A dot star, it will calculate point-wise multiplication. Point-wise multiplication means A is this one, B is this one. 8 into 10, 9 into 10, 90, 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 3, 12, like this. Okay. This A dot star B, A dot.
Sir,
No.
because
No.
Sir,
Think about it. You tell me. You tell me tomorrow also. It takes time. If we start the discussion, it will go. Okay, tell me. What is the reason? Tell me.
sir, because a particular column represents a vector.
No. Oh, okay, what's it? So we are multiplying row with column. That is well known. I'm not saying it is wrong. Okay. Why can't you multiply column with row? What is the logic behind?
Sir, because a particular column represents a vector.
Yes, sir.
So when we multiply, sir, I dot I is equal to 1 and other multiplication is 0, sir. That's why we use row into column.
Sir, my question is, why are you multiplying in different
Sir, I
manner?
am a student, sir.
Yes, of course.
Don't me, sir.
Okay,
Don't me, sir.
Answer. Okay, tell me. Tell me. What is your name?
Sir. Vinay, sir.
Vinay.
B.Tech third year, sir.
What are you doing, Vinay?
B.Tech third year.
B.Tech third year. What is your branch?
Mechanical, sir.
Mechanical. Okay. So many mechanical engineering. You apply matrix multiplication in different finite element method came up? Not at
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Finite element method
Yes,
came?
sir.
Yes, finite element
FE,
method.
sir.
Oh, you studied
Yes,
finite
sir.
element method. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Finite element method. You multiply every time
Yes.
you create a matrix,
Yes, sir. Yes,
many
sir.
matrices will come. There you will do
Yes.
matrix multiplication.
Sir,
Okay.
row.
My question is, why are you multiplying with row with column? You think in that point, then you will definitely get the answer. Okay. So I'm asking the reason.
Okay.
So we are applying the logic. We are somebody told do like this. We are doing. I want to know the reason. That's why are you doing? There is a lot of beautiful ways. That question has a very good question I asked. You think about that in different manner. So reason you try to find out the reason. Okay. So you are applying finite element method. So you apply whenever you multiply row with matrix multiplication. What is the resultant you observe from the matrices A and B? Definitely you can understand the matrix multiplication. The logic behind the matrix. Okay. Okay, now I am coming to this one. So this point wise, A and B are there. A star B gives ordinary matrix multiplication. A dot star B gives point-wise multiplication. Point-wise multiplication. Okay. If you want to divide A by B, A, B, C. Okay, A is with me, B is with me. Okay. All are non-zero. A dot by B. What will happen? A dot by B. What will happen? Point-wise division. These type of operations are not valid in linear algebra. That's well known. But these operations are necessary for us to get some results. Okay, A dot by B, point-wise division, point-wise division, element-wise division. Okay. Similarly, one more thing is there. A is with me. A is with me. A plus 4. 4 will be added to each and every element of the array. Each and every element of the matrix. Okay. Similarly, A minus 4. See, these two operations are not valid in linear algebra. Am I correct? 2 star A. I am multiplying A with 2. This is a valid operation in linear algebra. Am I correct? This is similarly A by 2 also. A by 2. Point-wise division. A by 2. A by 2. Okay, like this. Now we have A, B, A plus B, A minus B, multiplication and everything. A into A. Suppose A is with A cap 2. That is A star. Suppose A is equal to, this is the answer. We faced the problem at arrays. Am I correct? X is equal to 1, 2, 3. X is with me. X cap 2. It will show error. Am I correct? It will show error. Why? Because cap and hat are designed for matrix multiplication. So what is the dimension of the matrix X? 1 by 3. 1 row, 3 columns. So 1 row with 3 columns matrix, we cannot multiply 1 row with 3 columns. Am I correct? 1 row, the X matrix is 1 by 3. Next matrix is also 1 by 3. So we cannot multiply these two matrices. So that's why it is showing matrix must be a square. Matrix must be a square. Then only we can square the matrix. Am I correct? That is well known. The dimension should be same. The dimension should satisfy the matrix multiplication problem. Whereas if X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, Y is equal to 2, X is of order 1 by 1, Y is of order 1 by 1. I can multiply X star. Again, it is a 1 by 1 matrix. The answer is 2. So this is same as 1 dot star. You do understand this point? Both are same. I hope you understand my point. Now we know how to enter a matrix, how to perform element-wise operation, element-wise addition, point-wise addition, point-wise subtraction, point-wise multiplication, matrix multiplication, inverse of a matrix, determinant of a matrix, transpose of a matrix, like this. Suppose P is equal to round of 110 star. I am taking one matrix, 100 by 100 matrix. My matrix is 100 by 100 matrix. Okay. P is of order 100 by 100 matrix. 100 by 100 matrix. That means 10,000 dot 100 by 100 matrix. Okay. So what is dead P? You see the beauty of MATLAB. Dead P, it calculates fraction of seconds. Oh, round. Oh, sorry, only one element. It is round up. Sorry. And so P is a, what is the P? 100 by 100 matrix. My P is 100 by 100 matrix. My P is 100 by 100 matrix. Okay. This B is 100 by 100 matrix. CS. My P is there. Suppose if you give data of P, it calculates within a fraction of second. The data value is minus 3.806 into 10 to the power of 126. 10 to the power of 126. So, and also I am using very old version of MATLAB, but it is a licensed version. You see the left hand side corner. MATLAB 7.5 R 2007 B. R means revised version of 2007 B. So if you see the license, if you see the version of MATLAB, it will be like this. If you take any MATLAB, if you take the MATLAB software, one R will come here 4 digits. Four digits are here. Here you get either A or B. A means every year MathWorks releases one version, two versions. Every year MathWorks releases two versions. One is in February. One version will be in September. February version we call it as R 2000 R year A. September version we call it. They will mention, not we, MathWorks people call the version is B. So my version is R 2007B, 2007B version, around 13 years back version. Now latest version of MATLAB is R 2020B. I hope you know this one. R 2020B. Actually, it was released in August. Usually they will release in September. This August they release it new version. Or 2020. Most of the times they will release February and September. Okay. 2007 latest version. My version is 2007 version. Okay. So now you see this one involve P. You see that, and just I didn't enter the value. Just I'm pressing now. Within a fraction of seconds, it will give the inverse of the matrix. Within a fraction of second. Fraction of second means the moment I enter this enter key, the answer will be displayed. Just if you enter the key, automatically, not only 100 by 100, you take 1000 by 1000 matrix, it will calculate the value with 100% accurate. That's why MATLAB became popular and familiar. So even my version, this is my version, this one. If you want to know the version, you can type like this. Well, if you give well, it will give complete description about the MATLAB. Okay, this is the what are the MATLAB is a combination of toolboxes actually. These are the toolboxes available in this version, 2007B version. Okay, the MATLAB license number is this one. Okay, these are the toolboxes available in this in my version. Suppose if you want to find out optimization, one of the powerful toolboxes in MATLAB. Optimization toolbox means all optimization techniques. We use this one. Suppose if you want to work on image processing toolbox, there is image processing, another powerful toolbox in MATLAB. Okay. Fuzzy logic, image processing, financial toolboxes, neural networks. This is also very powerful toolbox. Neural network toolbox. MATLAB is a combination of toolboxes. So far, we didn't touch the toolbox. Partial differential equation toolbox. So I will cover two toolboxes. That is, one is optimum toolbox. I will touch this optimum toolbox. and as well as curve fitting toolbox. Curve fitting toolbox, somewhere it will present. Curve fitting toolbox. This curve fitting toolbox. So I will attach these two toolboxes. I committed with these two toolboxes. One is curve fitting toolbox. That means regression. How to do regression analysis, regression data analysis, And one more question. Anyhow, data came. What is the difference between data analysis and uh, data analytics? Again, to young students, what is the difference between? We are listening this nowadays. We are listening. We are. If you see data analysis is there. Am I correct? Now new word came recently. Data analytics. What is the difference between data analysis and data analytics? Again, next question. Analytics. 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 Data analysis. Data analytics. You tell me this answer also. What is the difference between data analysis and data analytics? The IIT Bombay, IIT Madras introduced one first time in the history of IITs. Distance education, BSc data analytics course. Data analysis and data analytics course. First time in the history of IITs. IIT Madras introduced BSc data analytics course. So it's a very beautiful course. So cost is somewhat costly, but if you want to get a degree from IITs, it's very good, na? That's it. It's a weapon. We have one Ramabanam. Okay. That's it. We try to join these type of courses and get knowledge. Learning is continuous process. Learning is a continuous process. So because nowadays everything is changing.
Sir, data analysis means process. That is how we analyze the data. Data analytics is a study.
Oh, study of what?
Actually, artificial
No,
intelligence is
there is a
there.
lot of
It is
difference
data
between.
analysis.
There is not. Data analytics is different. No. Data analytics and data analysis. Your answer is wrong. Okay.
Okay.
You see that one. It's very simple. You can easily identify. You can
Hello,
easily
sir.
find. If you check in Google, you can easily find. Okay. Now, somewhere I stopped in. No, this one. My version is 2007 version. So now it is a licensed version. I'm using the licensed version. So there is a start button here. We can find in all versions. We can find the start button, left hand side corner, left hand side down. If you click this one, we can see all toolboxes. What are the toolboxes available in the MATLAB? Okay. This is the start button. And one more powerful button in MATLAB is help button. Help button. Suppose I want to find out determinant. Arrays, for example, arrays and it will give arrays. It will give complete and maybe different. We have to choose proper value. Okay, arrays. It will give complete description about. You see, it's showing different arrays. I will show this, not arrays. I will take this determinant. Okay, how to calculate, what is the determinant value, how to calculate, how MATLAB, they will explain all the things. Okay, suppose find command. So find command will come, the properties. What is the fine grain? Okay. So don't depend on any textbook, any material. Only depend on MATLAB, math work. They designed everything in the MATLAB software itself. Suppose if you want to know help button, help here, help some command. For example, sort command, sort, sort. It will complete description about sort command. Okay. If you want to know the documentation of sort, we click this one. It will come the documentation of sort. Everything. Okay. It will go to help again. It go to help again. Help. Okay. So no need to depend on any textbook. So textbooks are there. Beautiful textbooks are there. I too wrote one book. So because that is a different. So that is math work. MATLAB was designed by MathWorks. They know everything about MATLAB. They know everything about MATLAB. Everything they mention in the software. Everything they put in the software. Okay. This is the official website of MATLAB, MathWorks. This is the official website of MathWorks. Mathworks.com. Mathworks.com. Okay. You want to again? It will come to if you want to. If you take a okay, this is it will be complete information about the MATLAB software, products and solutions. If you do, no need to go open this MathWorks. Suppose if you have any doubts in MATLAB, for example, how to find out the eigenvalues. If somebody asked characteristic polynomial and all, I will explain in different manner. Okay. How to find out the eigenvalues of matrix, not using MATLAB. That is very important. Using MATLAB. That's MathWorks. It will give the MathWorks. This again, it will go to help button. This is help. You see this one. This is help. Okay, help. My 2007 version is different, right? Because this old version, this is 2020 version help button. You see this one, right hand side, it is there. R2020B, help button, help. Okay, my help window is different. That is 2007 help window. This is my 2007 help window. This one. Okay. This is 2020 help window. Support. So they will give clear information. No need to depend on any book, any software, any book, any textbook. No need to purchase first of all. No need to purchase any purchase. Depend on MathWorks. MathWorks means depend on MATLAB. Okay. Depend on MATLAB. First, we have to attend some workshops. Then only we will get an idea. First of all, we have to attend some classes. We have to attend some workshops. We have to get an idea how to get into MATLAB. What are the features of MATLAB? Like that, we have to know. After that one, you depend on MATLAB software. Don't depend on any textbook. Okay, that's my sincere advice for beginners. That's it. With this, I am closing today. Tomorrow is holiday. Every Sunday is an holiday. Monday we will meet again. Okay. Any doubts you can ask. So, what is something? Some Praveen Charan has given YouTube link. Okay. I want to open this YouTube link. What is this? Editing. Multiple matrices. Okay.
Hello and welcome back to our series on
Trial. Okay. Some examples he has given, no?
matrix. Today, 2x3 matrix with a 3x2 matrix and also a cell, and he has split them in two lots. lot 1 and lot 2. In total, he's got 100 kgs of brinjal, 100 kgs of tomato, and 100 kgs of potato, which is split into two lots of 30 kgs. One lot containing 30 kgs of brinjal, 20 of tomato, and 50 of potato. With the remaining vegetables going into lot 2, 70 of brinjal, 80 of tomato, and 50 of potato. Right? So this has 2 rows and 3 columns, so hence it's a 2x3 matrix. Right? Now he has a choice of selling these in lots in market 1 and market 2. There are 2 different markets with 2 different sets of prices for each of these.
Okay.
So in market 1, if you see, brinjal will fetch 10 rupees a kg, tomato at 20 rupees a kg, and potato at 30 rupees a kg. In market 2, brinjal will fetch 20 rupees a kg, tomato will fetch 30 a kg, and potato will fetch 30 a kg. Now
Okay, this is okay. This is okay. Simplex method also. Simplex method also. We can tell this example. That's not like okay. This is one of the reasons we are telling. Okay, but this type of multiplication, this type of examples, we are not using in linear algebra. Am I correct or not? This is a practical. Okay. Of course, it is correct. So, what who send this? Who send this? I'm not saying no. One of the applications you are telling. What is this name? Yes. What is his name? Okay. Okay. Yes, thank you. Some Praveen Charan. Okay, there is example. It's okay. I won't say that is wrong. That's correct. But this type of applications we are not doing in mathematics. We are different things we are doing in. So suppose if you want to find out the eigenvalues, for example, we are doing the same thing. In eigenvalues also we are multiplying. Okay. So think about it. My question again. Okay, sir. What is it? Mamata Kumari. Worksheet 3, 4 questions. Worksheet 3 I explained yesterday. What is worksheet 3? Where is worksheet 3? Worksheet 3 I explained, madam, yesterday. Yesterday I was absent. Okay, yesterday 3, 4 questions. Oh, you send my WhatsApp messages. Create a vector 3, 4, item MATLAB 3, 4. Factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 10, Product of, if you want to find out 1 colon 10. 1 colon 10 generate 1 into 2, 1 comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 up to 7 product. That's that. Okay. Next, this value, this is, what is the next question? Create a vector x with elements xn minus 1 over 4 n by n by 2n minus 1. Add up the elements up to version. Yesterday I told. Okay, first this means version means 100 elements you take from that array. You take x n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 100. Okay, I am taking like this. N is equal to 1 colon 100. N is equal to 1 colon 100. We can take n is equal to 100 colon 200 also, not a problem. N is equal to 1 colon 100. And take x is equal to minus 1 whole dot cap n plus 1 dot by minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Okay, that's correct. By 2 star n minus, where is the denominator? Where is x? Oh. Is it wrong? Is it wrong in this one? Let's put bracket. Is it wrong? Oh, here one more bracket came. Another. Okay. Sum of x. Did you listen yesterday video? Explain clearly. Explain clearly this question. Okay. Next. But I got the correct answer. I don't know, man. The sir will share that answer. So I don't have any videos. This is the x value. I got it, Any doubts? Any other doubts? Okay. Anybody? Any doubts? Shall I leave? Okay. I'm leaving. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, let me. Okay, I'm leaving.